What if Project Odessa isn't about creating more superhero but about removing them? Instead of simply using students, the program could be secretly developing a way to control or even use the powers. The hints are often there. The focus on highly specific students like Marie, the secrecy around Odessa experiments, and the darker thing vibe introduced with a new deal. If Odessa is testing compounds that can regulate or nullify compound V effects, then the university is less a training ground and more a giant lab using students as experiment. This flips the usual what narrative. Instead of endlessly creating new superhero for profit, they may be planning for future where uncontrolled superhero are liability, especially with public thing growing after in the events of boys. The big twist could be that Odessa real thing is not about superhero but the ability to turn gods back into human, setting up massive stake for both Gen V and the boys season.